Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually based on a request from one of my subscribers. That is to do a detailed video on the gap to leave when sewing your hair bundle on the wig cap. With this video, I'm still going to go by the 14 inches hair bundle and then the 3-part closure. As usual, I'm going to fit my wig cap on my dummy head, then mark the space within which I'm going to sew my lace closure. After marking, you fit your lace closure on your wig cap by pinning it. Then I went ahead to sew the lace closure on the wig cap. In case you don't get how to go about the pinning of the lace closure on the wig cap, I'll leave a video in the description box that you can follow, watch and then get how you go about it. So this is what I've got. I went ahead to sew the rest of the parts off camera. Now let's get to the main purpose of this video. To begin with, I'm going to sketch a line from one end of the dummy head's ear to the other end. So that's where we'll be sewing our first hair. Then I went ahead to take my tape measure, since we'll be using to measure the gap we'll be leaving between the hair we'll be sewing on the wig cap. So I went ahead to pin the tip to the line we sketched earlier, then lay the tape measure on the wig cap to where I sew the lace closure on the wig cap. I went ahead to pin that side of the tape measure to the wig cap to get about 12 inches. Then I started marking from my first sketch line, 1 inch difference each, using my tape measure as a guide. After marking, you remove your tape measure and then draw the lines. Well, the lines might not be really straight since you are just sketching it. So when you start sewing your hair on the wig cap and you realize the lines are not straight, you can just do a few adjustments, since it's just a guide to know the spaces to leave on the wig cap when sewing your hair. So this is what I said earlier on. When drawing the lines, you might face a little challenge, that's the lines not being straight. But don't be disturbed, because you can still rectify that when sewing the hair bundles on the wig cap. After sketching the lines, just take your bundle of hair, detangle it well, and then start pinning it on the lines. You start from the bottom, that's our first sketch line. And don't forget, you need to sew the hair after pinning it on the wig cap. So I went ahead to sew some of the hair bundles off camera by just following the lines I drew. And out of 4 bundles, I'm only left with 2 bundles of hair. I'm just going to pin the rest on the lines. Just follow the lines like how I'm doing. Before I continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly make sure you do so. Give me a thumbs up and also share my video. And if this is the first time viewing my video, kindly subscribe so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Because I have a lot of goodies, skills to learn, techniques, and also some tricks in store for you. Finally, on the last line of sewing I'll be doing on this week, the sewing of the hair will be done on the closure. That is the part where I sew the lace closure to the wig cap. This is done in order to cover the sewing tracks on the lace closure as a result of sewing the lace closure on the wig cap. So after sewing that last part, make sure you comb the hair really well before laying the hair on the closure on it. This is my final work. Still combing it. It's a 3-part closure though, so you can just use your tail comb to divide it, or if you want to slay your edges, you just use your tail comb to do that. I actually went ahead to add a little hair oil to it. That has olive oil. You can also add shea butter oil to it. I'm already admiring the hair. Hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and also share my video. And in case you want me to do a tutorial for you on a certain hair, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll do so for you.